History of the English Language and Literature Unit. Now, English period in the 15th century. In the in the port, in the post Chaucerian period, poetry poetry fails to reach the standard set by Chaucer. Some poet poeted tried utmost to follow the foot, foot, footprint of the master, master Chaucer and to write poetry accordingly, but in view Hawkins lead gate and Skelton belong to this period. Scott's contribution is better than that of the other two dog Hawkers and lead great claimed to be the discipline of Chaucer. There is very little in the poem to be cleared, mm, to be cleared. Chaucer spleen of matters matters art Hawkins only contribution is his importance of causes. Lead gate is known today in literature for for secretion line lesson like be the day very be the day long it language it derived to even song. John John Scott is known for his escorting style, which is characterized by regard and joked various exclamation people on the basis of the some level his bestly escape loan over he 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 is eccentricity is considered his only originality and noble contribution. He defends his poetry in like manner. Throughout my rhyme be raised Telder and Jacob Rudely Rains Baton Rostally and Moth others. It if you take will there with it had in is some pit Skelton chose to be historical. His important work are colon is why common yet not to court. The first poem exposes the colors and the second is a criticism of the politics of the day. He is also capable of displaying tenderness, consent, and pathos. The example of the sum is his books of Phillips spare the work higher the practice description of a girl morning over the Sunday and sad demise of the pet spore. These English causes us they are sometimes called are not troll representative of Chaucer styling. This is compensated to some extent by the Scottish characters. Chaucerian days Chaucerian as King James I. Robert Harrison, William Dover, and Govind Douglas. King James I was whether the king choir in 7-line stanza historical originated by Chaucer and is today remembers as the Rime Royal. This poem is subjective in nature. James poet, poetized his level affair with Lady Jane Beaufort. One he also married his later on in life. The poet gratefully and poignantly presents his feelings and thought about love and its better sweet expressions. The work shows the overwhelming influence of the great Chaucer and grow. He conditionally acknowledges his debt to both of them as his master death. Robert Henryson is a poet of much greater importance. He demonstrates a great originally displayed looking towards Chaucer of goodness. He has a strong power of present, pre- presentation and a not, notable variety of ideas and subject among his poems. Testament, Testament of Christianity is a types of sequel of Chaucer Trolls and Crusade, which is composed in Remy Royal or Face and Erodis in a collection, a Aesopian fable. The fables show the linguistic mode of the written and a structure with humor and realism. Memorable romance and mechanic is another achievement of Henderson poetry. This poem is written is past pastoring for Macon, a separate tries to win the hearts of Robin, but in vain she does not get any positive response. Later, it is vice whereas as Robin being to who her she does not reciprocate him the sacred makes up her mind to relation and established a classical presentation of title for that in level. The story is beautiful and delicate, fully presented in the form of a ideologic build among escorting Charles William Double 465030 is the most prolific and also professional so far as his craft of composite various is concentrated. There are about 100 poems extends from his writing throughout. His poems are mostly short in size. He always display a wonderful variety of subject, the sense and Scotland with which he elaborated his themes is also praise words. His well-known poems are Distant and the Rose, the two married women and a widow. He golden golden thread the 15 of danger and the friends of broaching the lament for the marks and the dance of seven daily sense throughout these critical 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 activity poems due Dunbar has Dunbar has representation himself as a perfect allegories morality strength and even even a good clone, but the hall- hallmarks of his poetic art is humorous stride and in role. It is this singularization of his poetic craft that places him near Robert Brown. Bronze is a unanimous accepted as the master poet of Scotland. even throughout he sometimes appears exhibiting sentimental. This future of Bronner has made the modern escorting poets to proceeding back to dance. This some sentimentally of Brunner Cortelis, his poetic great, 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 greatness and lessons the intestine of his at Dunbar himself being non-native to English has feeling to understand and use the uniqueness of the English language with accomplishment. This language gap between his inner poetic flair and its outer outer expression dancing his actually actually discover a space in the domains of English literature. Is given due girls 40 75 50 22 is called the last of the great group of escorting churches. He was born great is names of his artist artist topping background, will education, and a bishop due to his involvement in political interest. He had to level behind his mother's land and take shelter in London, where he passed away at the early age of 48. His his popularity and acceptability as a poet rest on his two popular poems and a classic translation, The Place of Honors and King Heart, and the English translation of Virgil and had the place of honors is a allegory, allegory and a reminiscence of French Chaucer's Horse of Famous. It has a 9 lines stanza structure. King Hearts is composed in uh, in octave and is also put in the mold of early grade. He translation of Virgil's Aeneid is the first of its king in English. It has a historical significance as a pre- precursors to re- re- Renis- Renaissance humanist memorable with make the translation a memorable on is its prologue adds by Doug's hymns. The death of great and good poetry in terms of both quantity and quality in the 15th century is partially recompensed by what in commonly known as un, unofficial poetry, the ballads, the the belts from was used in a alternative for language romance written in the medieval period. The famous group of these English branded revolved around the image of Robin Hood, legendary outland. Robin Hood is partly project a real human being and partly a Langland legendary mythical heritage stories depict him as the commander of an outlaw band living in a large, large forces away from social life. They robbed the rich in order to help the poor and needs on the tells famous published point of view that Robin Hood is a symbol of revolt and justice. Transfer a number of bells were written in praise of Robin Hood and his companions. These poems highlight their laborious expedition and risk advantage. The sense of blended dealing with the life of Robin Hood is of paramount importance. These poems have literally meaning and culture value. They are read and throughout across several countries and culture even in the present time. Learning outcomes. English literature is complex and philosophy is nature and signification. In order to understand it from the right perspective on has to consider various dimensions of a literary work simulation. Their difference demonstration might be seen in the form of time and space of a literature work, social and political conditional. It author present life and past influence art. The end of this unit, you shall be able to expand the sense of historical consciously and to be aware of the social political background and also be informed about the writers and works of the Old English period. You should be able to appreciate the literature of this period. Memorable effort he has been made to establish a context for every important text to enhance the students' understanding.